Hello everyone. Welcome to Daydreaming with DJ. Quarantine edition. I think today's like day 6 of me being in quarantine. And I am a blonde. If you want to see how I became so blonde, check out my latest YouTube video where I bleached my hair in my bathroom at like 10 p.m. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my blonde hair and I'm gonna make it not blonde anymore. It's gonna be green. I'm using Arctic Fox Phantom Green. It's really good stuff. I haven't used this color before, but I've used their pink, their purple, their blue, their orange. I don't know. I've used a lot of Arctic Fox before and it's really nice. It smells like grapes. I can still smell, so that's good. The good news is my hair is gonna look good. So keep watching if you want to see me have green hair. Welcome back to my bathroom, everyone. Are you ready for some green hair? Because I am very ready for green hair. So dyeing your hair is pretty similar to bleaching it. You just put the stuff in your hair. And my dyeing process is going to be a lot easier than normal because I'm just not diluting it, just putting it all on all of my hair. No blending or anything, just soaking my hair in green. So you're definitely going to want to wear gloves. I have dyed my hair without gloves before, and your hands will just be very colorful for the next couple days, which is fine if that's what you want. It's not ideal. I only have one glove left. I'm gonna put my glove on one hand and I'm gonna hold this little brush in the other, and hopefully that'll be enough. And if it's not, I'll just have one green hand, I guess. Arctic Fox Phantom Green, very exciting. I really like Arctic Fox for multiple reasons. It's just like a very high quality dye, and they are cruelty free and they don't test on animals. Normally I also check if something is non-toxic too, but I mean, it's hair dye, it's probably gonna be toxic. Like, just smelling it, it's got so many fragrances in it that are probably really bad for you, but that's the price of beauty. At least with hair dye, it's not bleach. I'm sure bleach is much worse for you than any fragrances they put in this. So either way, I'm just unhealthy, I guess. Not unhealthy. Either way, I'm just poisoning my body just like a little bit. So I've never dyed my roots before. I normally just do the ends. But I've watched videos, so this may not be the best video for you guys to watch if this is your first time doing this. I'm sure it'll be fine. Maybe you'll be inspired that it's my first time too. But I always see them start at the part. Looking good already. And then just work in sections. Another thing that you really should do is put Vaseline all around like the edges of your face and around your ears and your neck. But I forgot to do that, so I'm gonna do that real fast on the way back. already looks really good and very green. My hand is blue, so that's fun. As you can tell, I abandoned the brush because it's so much easier to use your hands, but I only have one glove, so I'm gonna wash my hands about 40 times, and I'm gonna wait probably about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse my hair out, and I'll show you what it looks like. I am green now. I really like how it turned out. It's very bright. I am not used to it yet. I'm sure I will get used to it and it'll feel more like me, but right now it just doesn't look right. My hand is very blue. I forgot that I only had one glove, so. And my other hand even turned a little bit blue. Can't really tell. It turned a little bit blue just from rinsing out my hair. And rinsing my hair took so long. I had to take a break in between in the middle of it because I was just tired of holding my head upside down. But you want to make sure you rinse it until the water runs clear, otherwise you'll dye your pillowcase and everything you put your hair on. It is definitely more of a yellow green, and I really wanted and prefer like a darker blue or emerald green. But next time I dye it, I'll just add blue to it, and then it'll be the perfect color for me. And in this lighting on the camera, it does look bluer, so it really depends on what lighting you're in. That's with basically every single hair color or every single anything with color on it. The lighting is what makes the color. So I hope you enjoyed watching me do this to my hair. And if you decide to follow my tutorial and color your hair, let me know how it went. If you want any advice, I can do my best to advise you in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.